Good morning. Welcome to the Rochester Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the third weekend in September. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, ma'am. We have several units available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of arrival?
The 24th.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 nights.
And how many people is the reservation for?
There will be two of us.
What unit would you prefer, ma'am?
With two bedroom, please.
Great. Your unit is $590 per night. Now, what name will the reservation be listed under?
My name is Charlotte Natividad.
Could you spell your last name for me, please?
Nitividad.
Great. Now I'll need your credit card information to reserve the unit for you. May I know what type of card is it, ma'am?
Visa. The number is 987-654-321.
Alright, Miss Charlotte, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a unit with a two bedrooms. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact us immediately.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Miss Natividad. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. Welcome to the Rochester Hotel. Please have a seat. How may I help you?
I have a reservation under my name, Charlotte Natividad.
Yes, Miss Natividad, we reserve a unit for two bedrooms, 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Excellent. Can I request for identification, please? Thank you, ma'am. We already have your credit card information on file. Kindly sign the receipt, please.
So, what room will be I staying?
That would be room 240. Here's your key, ma'am. To get your room, take the elevator here up to the second floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator. And your room will be the right hand side by Hajri Arbel stop.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Kung may concern kayo, huwag kayong mahiyang tumawag. And please enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I'm Archie. I'm your bed assistant. Let me help you, please. This way po. This way po, ma'am. Ito po, ma'am. So here's your things, ma'am and sir. So enjoy your stay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ate, ba't ganito naman yung room na binigay sa atin? Ang kalat.
Check natin yung kabilang room.
Huwag si ate. Pwede ba tayo tumawag sa manager man lang para mapaayos yan?
Tatawag ako sa receptionist natin.
Hi, good evening po, ma'am. I'm Justin from front office. How may I help you?
Hi, good evening. Can I talk to your manager?
From what room po?
From room 214.
I will relay the message to our manager. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry?
Good evening, sir. My name is Kayla. I'm manager of this hotel. What seems to be the problem?
So yung problem is, na-check kasi namin yung dalawang room dito na hindi siya maayos na linis. So ayun yung problem namin dito.
Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Ipapatawag ko na lang po yung housekeeper na naka-assign dito para makausap ko at makausap na dito. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Wala itong nakarating sa akin na complaint na hindi mo daw naayos at nalinis yung room 214.
Sir, kung ma'am po, hindi ko po na-double check yung room kasi sa sobrang dami ko po pending na room na lilinisin.
Sa susunod, huwag mo nang gagawin yan, ha?
Yes po, ma'am. Sorry po.
Samahan mo ako doon. Ayusin natin lahat. Sir, ito na po si Paula. Siya po yung housekeeper na naka-assign sa unit niya.
Sorry, sir. Sa Averia, kung hindi ko po na-double check yung room nyo dahil sa pending po na room na lilinisin ko po. Sorry po.
Hindi pwedeng sorry lang kasi nasayang yung oras namin dito. So imbis na nagpapahinga na kami, hinintay pa namin kayo para maayos to. So, you are the manager, right?
Yes, sir.
So ano yung take mo dito?
Sir, our department is willing to give you some compensation sa nakuha ng Averia sa amin. And free breakfast po yun.
Apology accepted, but I will not accept the compensation. So, dapat next time, ayusin nyo na lang yung trabaho mo.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. Hindi na po
Thank you.
maulit. Thank you po.
Enjoy your... Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. How can I help you today?
Mag-check out na kami from 214.
I see. Everything in order. How was your stay?
It was okay, except na kailangan linisin yung room namin since hindi siya ganun kalinis kagabi.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you enjoy any of our amenities during your stay?
Yes, it's fine.
That's wonderful to hear. Let me just finalize your bill. Here your receipt, ma'am. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. Everything was fine.
Thank you for staying with us. Have a safe journey home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Assist ko po kayo pababa.
Thank you.
This bill po, ma'am, sir. Thank you for staying at Master Hotel. I hope to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.